I'm just gonna talk while I do the transformation of the before and after hair moves. But I have a question, guys. Um, so what do you think? I mean, of course, for the customers and as well as the braiders as well. Like, for example, if sorry, so if a customer, if somebody wanted to get their hair done, and they sent you a picture that is not really on your page. So basically, you do goddess braids, knotless braids, and everything, right? But they sent you, let's say, for example, goddess braids. They sent you a particular picture that clearly is not basically on your page. So clearly, you do not really use that curls often because you use a particular kind of curls on your page, right? So do you think it's the responsibility of the customer to kind of find what that curl type is? You know, because some of them would probably send you the curls and want the curls in like a color 30 or color ombre, like a very hard color to find compared to like a 1B. But let's just say they want a color black, right? The easiest, a simple color, right? Is it your responsibility as a, like, okay, so for the customer, do you think it's a responsibility of the braider to figure out where that curls was from, or do you think it's your responsibility since sent sent the picture to the braider to figure out if she can do that hairstyle? Just let me know your thought, guy, because I'm still like, I don't know, like I'm in between. Sometimes I do help my clients find a curl, sometimes I have them do it, especially when it's taking more than the required time. I provide my own curls for my clients, so we don't really like, they just come and then I end up having enough, like a lot more. But if you have to get your own curls, but if I usually use about 3 curls of mine, I would just tell you to get like 4 or 5 just to be safe. I know it seems like you're spending a lot of money, right, trying to get your own curls, but it's just because like, right, I'd rather you have more than enough than for us to run out of curls, especially when you want a particular curl pattern. But guys, and then sometimes if I'm aware of that curl, I do get it for them. Like, I'm very, very easy. I flow well. I'm very easygoing. I'm very flowy. I don't know. I go out of my way sometimes, but let me know. As a customer, do you think it's your responsibility to figure out where that color hair came from, the length the hair came from, just whatever? Or do you think all you gotta do is just send a picture to your stylist and you expect her to get the curl pattern for you as a braider? Again, if as a if it's someone that does sewings and all that kind of stuff, like lace front, of course, like you can make any curls that you want with a straight bundle, so that's different. But as a braider, when you want to get your braids done, guys, do you think it's your stylist responsibility? And as a stylist, do you think it's your responsibility, or do you think it's the responsibility of the braider to get their own curl? But yes, I'm very indifferent. I don't have any say. I don't care, but I feel like if it's stressing me out too much, if I've, let's say, done the research for like 3 days straight, or even 2 days, and I can't find nothing, I just end up telling you, what, just get your own hair. Just be sure to bring it to me like a day before the appointment, or even on the day of the appointment. You have to just come, like a lot earlier than our usual plan. But usually I prefer a day before because, I like to get ready like a night before my appointment. But yeah, guys, that's all. And that's how my client hair is looking like right now. I do have like tutorial details of this, of the curls, of my goddess curls, and I also have the curling, like where I got my curls from, in my description box. And if you've also followed my Instagram page, I have all the details of the front view, side view, back view, all the view that you need. And I do offer more curls in my services, so if you want to get 2 bundle goddess braids, that's possible. If you want to get 3, 4, 5 bundle goddess braids, that's also possible. It depends on how full you want it. And here's the finished look. I think I used about almost 3 bundles for this one, about 2.5 bundles for my clients. And sorry guys, she loved it. She loved it so much. So yeah, that's all, guys. Have a good one, and I want to be doing more of this like short clips and asking you guys questions. Bye. And if you like